In this video, I'll be showing you how to partition a Harmony P6 drive. So you can add an optional D drive since the Harmony P6 only has a simulated RAM. To do this, we want to go into Disk Management, and then we see we have our C drive as our main drive. To do this, we would have to right-click, and we first have to shrink the volume. Now if you get this error message, we have to go ahead and change the service. So what we can go ahead and do is open up the services, and we want to find optimized drive. Optimize drives right here, and it's currently set to disabled, so we want to go into properties. We want to set it to manual and apply and click OK, and then we can go back into the disk management, right click and shrink the volume, and then once we go ahead and shrink it, we want to allocate how much you want in the secondary D drive. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 gigabytes. That should be plenty. So what we're going to do is now shrink it. And you can see we still have the C drive, and then we have an unallocated partition. So we can go ahead and click New Simple Volume. And then we can go ahead and take the full amount we shrunk the C drive from, and then we can assign it to D, and just click Next, format it, and now we have a D drive. So you can now use it for your data logging, recipes, and anything else that requires a removable drive.